I'm asking you to do it. Just hold it, please. Just point it out back at them. Hurry. They're coming. Whoa! Holy crap! Holy crap! Oh! I missed. That was funny.
Now, they don't want to come too close because they're going to fly into the antenna.
Don't. Good birdie. Sit bird. Oh, I was like, sit birdie. Whoa, holy crap. Dude, this is so cool. Dude.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, just one hand. Holy crap. And the bird's like, holy crap. Oh god. This is so cool.
Hold your hand out away from the... Hold it in the tip of your hand. No, we can't eat those anymore because you're putting your hand back.
No, he touched it.
Okay. Are you done?
No, this is fun. Dude, these are $2 a bag. So what?
That's not what I'm...
This is comedy. Look at this on YouTube. So what? These things are $2 a bag. They'll start screaming. They're like, yeah! This is comedy. This is so funny. Oh god, that one's like... strangling each other.